Today I'm going to be doing a minted pea chili salsa with a big fat juicy steak, a black Angus ribeye, and man, that steak was juicy. These flavors are right up my alley: mint, peas, chili, steak, and also I'll be doing some honey roasted parsnips. I really love those crispy end bits on the parsnips, you know, the little tails. Get really nice and caramelized. Beautiful. Anyway, sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy. Thanks, guys. For the honey roasted parsnips, top and tail and cut in half. Transfer to a roasting tray. Add a good pinch of salt, olive oil, and mix well. Now place in the oven and cook. Next, take out the parsnips, add honey, now put back in the oven for 5 minutes. For the pea salsa, dice onion, chiffonade mint, and sliced chili. Add olive oil to a pan, add onions and chili, followed by a pinch of salt. Now cook until soft. Add mustard and cook out for 1 minute. Add peas, followed by malt vinegar, water, and sugar. Mix well and reduce by half. At the end, add mint, stir well, and slightly mash. For this recipe, I'm using black Angus ribeye. Season well with salt and pepper. Add vegetable oil to a hot pan. Add the steak. Season the other side, now brown both sides of the steak. Add garlic and butter. Now place in the oven and cook. When cooked, rest for 7 to 8 minutes. I hope you give this a go because it's a simple, delicious dish. Thanks, guys. So there you have it, a nice big fat juicy steak with cilantro chili fries and a little bit of avocado. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So that is supper sorted. I actually forgot some sour cream. Just put it on